Hey guys, this is Steven Smith here with MarineMax in Houston, coming to you with a brand new 2019 Sea Ray 19 SPX with an outboard on it. I wanted to do a quick walkthrough and show you some of the great features and things we're excited about for 2019. At the bow of the boat, you'll see that we've got the new interior with a little bit different stitching pattern and accent colors. We've got the new Fusion Signature Series speakers, some storage underneath of these seats here with a really spacious bow seating area. You can see at the floor that we've got optioned this boat with the vinyl woven flooring that snaps out for easy cleaning and use. As you come to this side of the boat at the helm, you've got a new steering wheel for this year that's a lot more sleek and looks great. A little bit larger dash footprint with some stainless steel bezel on the gauges. We have optioned this boat with the depth finder so you can have a good feel of what kind of water you're in. There's a brand new Fusion head unit for this year. Great options for Bluetooth, auxiliary, sound system, stuff like that. Your captain's chair has a flip-up bolster, so you can raise yourself up when you're pulling from the water sports ski tow right in front of the motor back there, where you could pull a tube or a skier. Another really unique feature about the SPXs is that they've utilized the storage really well. You've got a large, spacious glove box on top, huge storage compartment here on the port side with carpeting all throughout, and a convertible seating section over here where you can remove this cushion and stow it away to have a forward-facing seat for someone next to the driver. There's also a large ski locker built into the floor here and a built-in cooler that's insulated here underneath of this rear seat, as well as with the outboard model, an extremely spacious storage compartment where there would have been a motor on the stern drive that you could put tubes, wakeboards, skis, extra safety equipment, etc., and really just have tons of space that you wouldn't expect out of a 19-foot boat. This boat's powered by a 150 horsepower 4-stroke Mercury outboard, and we're really excited about the new 2019 products from Sea Ray. Come see us at MarineMax Houston today.